Hi, I am Nicole O'Neill, and I am part of the Principles to Financial Accounting class on Monday and Wednesday at 8 a.m. So today I'm going to be talking about a company called Cat Manufacturing Pro and how revenues are affected by different customers and sales, divisions, quarters, years, categories of revenue, and production channels.
Sorry about that, my laptop camera is broken, so I airdropped myself the video of my introduction. So here is my Tableau desktop where I have multiple sheets and then a dashboard and an interactive dashboard to connect with the audience. My first sheet shows the data source, which just is customer number, division, customer location, all of the basic information a company would want to know. Here we see revenue by year. So this is each year, and it shows the amount of revenue. Total sales by quarter and year, which is nice because you can click on the individual quarter of a year and see the specific revenue. Revenue by category. This one's just fun. It's very interactive. It's visually appealing. It's easy to read. Yeah. Sales by product line. This box plot is so helpful. The bigger the box, the darker the color, the higher the amount of sales revenue for the product. Top customer and sales, darker the color, higher the revenue, the more successful the company, in short. Sales by division map shows specific revenues and specific companies for specific products. And here's my interactive dashboard. So the first question is, what are total sales revenues for the third quarter of 2020? So go to 2020. Make sure I'm not still clicked on Germany by accident. Go to 2020, go to quarter 3, and see that sales revenues are $7,991,212. For this project, there is no specific trend or pattern. You can see 2019, 2020, and 2021 all look completely different throughout their different quarters, with 2021 having an upward curve trend line, 2020 having a dip in the middle and starting high, ending high, and 2019 starting super high and spiking down, never truly recovering. Question 2, what were the total sales revenues for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021? So we go to medical category 2021, quarter 2, where sales revenues are $457,117. Question 3, which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category? Materials processing category 2019. The product line with the highest sales is Pulsed YT with $2,507,810 in sales revenue. What is the top product line for the Germany division in 2019? So here we'll go to Germany, click that, go to 2019, where we see that the top product line is Low YT with $4,231,351 in sales revenue. Question number 5. In 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category under the UK division? So click out of here, go to UK, then we go to the telecom category. Telecom category, and see in 2020 which quarter had the highest sales. So it would be quarter 2 with $157,968 in sales revenue. Question 6, who is Cat Manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? Let's get out of the UK. 2020, fourth quarter, the top customer was Boys Company. And Who is the top customer for the Russia division in 2021? Russia 2021. And we see that Church Seal Company is by far the highest customer in sales. Final question. If you were on the top management team of Cat Manufacturing, what overall strategy questions could this dashboard help you address? Well, I think that it's fair to say that this dashboard fulfills numerous needs. It helps you see very visually appealing data that describes revenues for different years, quarters, categories, specific products, and it helps companies to see which products to target for specific companies, what are the best sellers, who is the best producers, who are the best customers. It helps companies make a lot of big decisions on where they should put their money in a company and what they should spend money on and how they're going to make money. So thank you for listening to me. I really enjoyed this class, and I would highly recommend it to anybody else for next year or any year in the future after that. Have a good night.